When should I replace a work van? You should replace a work van once repair costs start costing more than a loan payment, which usually happens around 150,000 miles or after about 10 years of heavy daily use, whichever comes first. Think of a work van like a pair of work boots. In the beginning, they feel great and barely need anything done to them. But after years of walking around every single day, the soles start wearing thin, the stitching pops, and you keep patching them up instead of just buying new boots. A van works the same way. Once you start replacing the transmission, the alternator, and the brakes all within the same year, you are basically buying a new van in pieces, except you still have the old, tired one. Here is something most people do not think about though. Fleet companies track something called cost per mile, which means they add up fuel, repairs, and downtime, then divide it by how many miles the van actually drives. Once that number climbs higher than a lease payment on a brand new van, it is a clear sign to let it go. Start tracking your own repair receipts every month, and once you notice the pattern repeating, that is your signal to start shopping. One big mistake people make is waiting until the van breaks down completely before replacing it, which usually means losing days of work and losing money from missed jobs. A better approach is to plan the replacement before it becomes an emergency. Another common misconception is thinking that a shiny paint job or a clean interior means the van is still in good shape mechanically, when really the engine and transmission tell the real story. Always get a full inspection done, not just a visual check. People also forget that older vans cost more to insure once accidents or breakdowns start piling up, so a newer van can actually save money over time in ways that are not obvious at first glance. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.